Bigay ng mensahe si Sir Alan Timothy Harantilla, ang Operations Head ng SM Regional.
Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno, Honorable Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. In behalf of SM Supermalls, it is my honor and pleasure to welcome all of you to this special event, Make Manila Great Again, images of New Manila's first 100 days. We are truly delighted to host this meaningful photo exhibit here in SM City, Manila, in partnership with the Manila Police District Press Club as we celebrate the remarkable milestone of Mayor Isko Moreno's first 100 days in office. Through the inspiring images showcased today, we witness stories of good governance, empathy, transparency, and the rich heritage of Manila. Values that reflect the shared vision of every Manileño to see our capital city thrive once again. At SM, we take pride in being a place where communities come together, not only to shop or dine, but also to celebrate culture, history, and the spirit of nation building. We believe that this exhibit is more than just a collection of photographs. It is a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we all work hand in hand for the common good. To the photojournalists from the Manila Police District Press Club, thank you for capturing and sharing these inspiring moments. Your images reflect the city's journey through the lens of truth, compassion, and public service. And to Mayor Isko Moreno, Vice Mayor GSM Atienza, and the City Government of Manila, congratulations po on your continued efforts to make our beloved city truly great again. Once again, welcome to SM City, Manila. May this exhibit inspire all of us to contribute in our own ways to a brighter and better Manila. Thank you and enjoy this exhibit. Thank you.
Thank you po Sir Alan, at syempre para po i-introduce ang ating special guest ngayong hapon ay inibitahan po natin ang ating Vice Mayor, Manila Vice Mayor Chi Atienza.
Magandang hapon po. Kamusta po kayo? Kamusta po kayo dyan sa taas? Sa nanonood ngayon online? Bago po ang lahat, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa ating mga kasama sa media na siyang gumawa ng paraan para ito ay may katuparan. Sa ating mga kasama sa SM, lalo't lalo na si Sir Alan Harantilla na talaga namang nandyan para sa ating media. Alam niyo, today marks the 100 days of this administration. But to be honest, it may have seemed seamless, mukhang madali po ang pinagdaanan namin. Ngunit sa totoo lang, sa isang daan na kami po ay pumasok ni Yorme, may isang tao po na hindi natulog para lang makatulog tayong lahat. At yan po ang ating napakagaling na alkalde na si Yorme Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Kaya palakpakan po natin ito. Pagpasok po namin ni Yorme dito sa administrasyong ito, alam namin na alam rin ang mga kasama natin sa media kung ano ang mga ininda namin. Hindi po yung madali, ngunit siniguro po ng ating alkalde na kahit pa paano may panlaban po ang mga Manileño na nagtalaga sa amin dito. Kaya within this 100 days na kami ay nakaupo dito, I can really say that Manila is going to be Singapore someday as promised by our mayor because of what we are seeing. That despite all the financial challenges that we are going through, lumalaban tayo at buhay na buhay po ang administrasyon dito ngayon sa Maynila. Anyway, nandito po ako para pakilala ang isang tao na alam kong mahal na mahal niyo. Pero gusto ko lang malaman ninyong lahat na ang aming tambalan ay nag-umpisa nung siya po ay 23 years old at isang konsehal sa Tondo, Manila. Dahil mga panahon na yun, ako naman po ay tumatayo para sa aking ama at umiikot rin po ako sa Tondo. At doon ko po nakilala ang kanyang puso at nakita po na talagang mahal na mahal niya ang mga Manileño. at talagang ipaglalaban niya kayo. Siya ay naging isang magaling na konsihal, isang napakagaling na vice-alkalde, pero masasabi ko, ang pinakamagaling na naging alkalde dito sa Maynila. Kaya, I'd like to turn this mic over to the best mayor Manila has ever had. Our dearest and beloved Mayor Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Maupo kayo. Maraming salamat sa ating minamahal na Vice Mayor Chi Atienza at Konsehal Ryan Ponce na nandito, mga barangay chairman, friends from the media, at partikular na yung ating mga manyunyot ng Maynila, nanyunyot ng umaga, tanghali, gabi, hanggang madaling araw. Bili mo ko sa mga to. I love you too. Ayun, may asip mo yun. Sa ating mga photographer, alam niya yan, natutuwa ko, nakakaisip sila ng ganitong programa in celebrating our 100 days in service to the city. Sabi nga, pictures makes 1,000 words. And pictures tell a story. And with those pictures, we are reminded of our hardship, failure, and some success. Mahirap ang katatayuan at nararamdaman ng taong bayan ngayon. Nanggagalaiti sa galit ang taong bayan, mapabata, makatamtaman, o may edad. Mahirap, middle class, mayaman sa nangyayari sa ating bansa. But as you all know, here in Manila, life will go on. We must go on. Always way forward. We don't forget the past. We will not forget. In fact, we wanted to be reminded of the